Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction one digit. The lessons we are going to cover from the chapter are subtract one digit number up to 10, ways to subtract up to 10, writing subtraction sentences up to 10, subtract a one digit number from a two digit number up to 18. So basically, we're going to learn how do we subtract, right? The concept of subtraction we're going to learn today. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on Grade 2 Math. The chapter we are on right now is Subtraction One Digit. Let's just start with the lesson that is subtract one digit numbers up to 10. Okay, subtract. You are given four of the puzzles. All of them are crossed out. So that means 4 take away 4 is 0. You need to count the ones that are not crossed out, right? But they all are crossed out. So you are left with 0. 4 take away 4 is 0. Let's just start with the test questions. 9 take away 6. You are given 9 of the lamps. 6 of them are crossed out. You need to count the one that are not crossed out. So how many of them are not crossed out? They are one, 2, 3. 3 of them are not crossed out. So 9 take away 6 is 3. The correct option is option number 1, that is 3. 9 take away 6 is 3. Subtract 7 take away 3. You are given 7 of the peach. 3 of them are crossed out. You need to count the one that are not crossed out. So 7 take away 3 equals 7 take away 3 is 4. The correct option is 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. 5 take away 1, which is the correct option. 5 takeaway when you are given 5 of the cans, one of them is crossed out. You need to count the one that are not crossed out. So which is the correct option? That is 5 takeaway one is 4. So the correct option is 4. 4 of them are not crossed out. So the correct option is 4. 10 takeaway 6. You are given 10 of the suitcases, 6 of them are crossed out. You need to count the one that are not crossed. So which is the correct option? 10 takeaway 6 is 4. 4 of them are not crossed out. So option number 1 is the correct option. 5 takeaway 4, which is the correct option? 5 takeaway 4 is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 9 takeaway 5. So which is the correct option? 9 takeaway 5 is 4. The correct option is option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is ways to subtract up to 10. So how do we subtract? Let's just start with the lesson. How do you make 4? So You are given four of the options. You need to select the one that makes four, right? So out of the four, the correct option is the one. 7 take away 3 is 4. You have to subtract and see which one makes 4, right? Let's just start with the test questions. How do you make 3? So you have to subtract and see which option makes 3, right? So start with the first one, that is 2 take away 0. So 2 take away 0 is 2. Then you have 4 take away 0. 4 take away 0 is 4. Then you have 10 take away 7. So start with 7, count until 10. 8, 9, 10. So 10 take away 7 is 3. The correct option is 10 take away 7 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Select all the ways to make 9. So which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option, right? 10 take away 1 is 9. The correct option is option number 1, that is 10 take away 1, that makes 9. How do you make 0? Which is the correct option? You are given the options that are 3 take away 2, 10 take away 8, and 9 take away 9. So the correct option is 9 take away 9. Subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So that is 9 take away 9, because subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. Which is not a way to make 4. So which is the correct option? 10 take away 6 is 4, 5 take away 0 is 5, and 8 take away 4 is 4. So which is not a way to make 4? Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is the correct option. That is not a way to make 4, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 5 take away 0. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 7. Which is the correct option? That is 9 take away 1. That is the only option that does not make 7, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 2. So you don't have to make 2. So which is the correct option? That is 3 take away 0. Option number 3 is the correct option. How do you make 10? Which is the correct option? That is 10 take away 0 is 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 10 take away 0. The correct option is option number 2. That is 9 take away 1. The correct option is 9 take away 1 is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. How do you make 5? Which is the correct option? That is 7 take away 2. That makes 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 0. So you don't have to make 0, right? The options are 2 take away 2, 1 take away 1. So the correct option is 1 take away 0 because subtracting a number from itself always makes a 0. So 2 take away 2 is 0, 1 take away 1 is 0. The correct option is 1 take away 0. Option number 3 is the correct option. Which is not a way to make 3. So which is the correct option? That is 7 take away 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. 7 take away 4 is 3. Oh, not a way to make 3. Sorry. That is 1 take away 0. How do you make 7? Which is the correct option? That is 9 take away 2. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is writing subtraction sentences up to 10. Which picture shows 4 take away 4 is 0? Let's just start with the test questions because you're not given with the options here. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. Write this as a subtraction sentence. So basically, that is given in the words form. You need to write it in the mathematical form using the mathematical operations. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. So replace the mathematical words with their signs. 9 minus 4 equals 5. So the correct option is option number 1. That is 9 minus 4 equals 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. 8 minus 4 equals 4, which is the correct option. That is option number 2 is the correct option. 8 minus 4 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 of them. 4 of them are crossed out. So, you're left with 3. So, the correct option is 7 take away 4 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 7 take away 4 equals 3. Which picture shows 4 take away 4 is 0? So you are given three of the options. You need to select the one that shows 4 take away 4 is 0. So option number 1 is the correct option. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. They all are crossed out. So you are left with 0. Right? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 4 take away 4 is 0. Write a subtraction sentence based on picture. So which is the correct option? 'That is 9 take away 6 is 3. They are 9. The total, they are 9, and the correct option is 9 take away 6 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? 5 take away 4. The correct option is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. 5 take away 4 is 1. That is 5 take away 4 equals 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write this as a subtraction sentence. 7 minus 6 equals 1. So, which is the correct option? That is given in the sentence form. You have to write it in mathematical form using the mathematical operations, right? So, option number 1 is the correct option. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Write a subtraction sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? That is 9 take away 9 is 0. Option number 3 is the correct option. Oh, wait, take away 8 is 0. Sorry, they are 8. I thought 9. The correct option is 8 take away 8 is 0. Write this as a subtraction sentence. 7 take away 4 is 3. So, which is the correct option? Option number 3 is the correct option. 7 take away 4 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. 6 less 0 is 6. Write this as a subtraction sentence. So, which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 6 take away 0 is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is subtract a one digit number from a two digit number up to 18. So now we're going to learn how do we subtract a number from the two digit number, right? Let's just start with the first example, that is 15 take away 1. So you can count back, right? Start with 15 and count back 1. So you are left with, like, you can start like this 15, or you can start with 1 and count up to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just count these lines. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the easiest way is to start with the smaller number and count up till the greater one. So that is 14. 15 take away 1 is 14. Let's just start with the test questions. That is 12 take away 7. So which is the correct option? So start with the smaller number and count up till the greater one. So start with 7, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7, 12 take away 7 is 12 take away 7 is 5. It is option number 2 is the correct option. That is 5. 15 take away 1, which is the correct option. You have to just go back 1. So 15 take away 1 is 14. Option number 3 is the correct option. 16 take away 2. So start with 2 and count up to 16, right? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. So that means 16 take away 2 is 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. 10 take away 8, which is the correct option. Start with 8 and count up to 10. 8, 9, 10. So the correct option is option number 1. That is 2. 10 take away 8, which is the correct option. 16 take away 9, which is the correct option. That is 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. 16 take away 9 is 7. 13 take away 3, which is the correct option. 10 it is. Option number 2 is the correct option. 13 take away 3 is 10. 16 take away 5, which is the correct option. 16 take away 5 is 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. 11 it is. 10 take away 4, which is the correct option. Then takeaway 4 is very good. 6 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 14 takeaway 3, which is the correct option. 14 takeaway 3 is 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 12 takeaway 9, which is the correct option. 12 takeaway 9 is 12 takeaway 9 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtraction one digit, and the lessons we have covered today are subtract one digit numbers up to 10, ways to subtract up to 10, writing subtraction sentences up to 10, subtract a one digit number from a two digit number up to 18. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box for which you need help. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session.